This is the slide of the liver. From outside, we have the capsule, the Gleason's capsule. Usually, these capsules surrounded from outside by a serous layer, simple squamous epithelium, and then we have a very thin layer of dense irregular connective tissue, which is the capsule. As I said in the lecture, this capsule sends extension to the interior of the liver, and these capsules divide the liver into classical liver lobules. These lobules, typically, they are hexagonal arrangement. At the center, we have a central vein, and from these veins, we have radiating plates from the hepatocyte, and between these hepatocyte plates, we have these spaces that are filled with the blood that are called the hepatic sinusoid. At one angle, or more than one angle, we could find this structure here. We call it the portal area, the portal canal, the portal thread. And at these areas here, we have artery, which is a branch from the hepatic artery. We have a venule, which is a branch from portal vein, and we have the bile ductules. Okay, and sometimes we could detect a lymphatic vessels, but not all the time. So if we increase the magnification, these are the plates of the hepatocyte, and between these hepatocyte, we have these sinusoid with engorged with the blood. We'll increase the magnification again. See here, plates of hepatocyte, and between these hepatocyte, we have these spaces that are filled with the blood that are called the hepatic sinusoids. And we have very important cell here found inside the sinusoid, which is the Kupffer cell, which is a phagocytic cell, which is the macrophage of the liver, but when it's found in the liver, we call it the Kupffer cell. And here between the plates or lobules, we have this connective tissue, which is the trabeculae that we said that extend from the capsule to the interior of the liver. Go back in magnification to see the area here. This area here, the portal area. See what we have inside. As I said, there will be vein, there's an artery, and we have the bile duct. The bile duct, usually the lining of this bile duct is the simple cuboidal epithelium, whereas the vein or arteriole, here's the arteriole, is surrounded by simple squamous. Here the venule surrounded by simple squamous epithelium. And if we look around, we'll see, as I said, at least one or two angles of this hexagonal arrangement, the classical liver lobules. We'll see the portal area. Again, here's the artery, here's the vein, and at this area here we have the bile ductules. As I said here, simple cuboidal epithelium, whereas here we have the simple squamous epithelium, we have the tunica media, and from outside we have the tunica adventitia. And here we can see the venule, the simple squamous, with the tunica adventitia. And you can see here the amount of the connective tissue that divide the liver into the classical liver lobules. Again, this is the area of the portal area. We have the artery, we have the vein, we have the bile duct. See here the epithelium, simple cuboidal, whereas in the artery All the vein will be simple squamous epithelium. And the structure here is a lymphatic vessel. As I said, mostly we have artery, vein, and bile duct tubules, and sometimes we can see the lymphatic vessel. Go back in the magnification again. This is the area of the central vein, and from this area we have radiating hepatocyte, and between this hepatocyte we have the sinusoid. So if we increase the magnification, this is the central vein, the lining is the simple squamous epithelium, and from this area we have radiating hepatocyte, and between this hepatocyte we have the hepatic sinusoid.